Can AI replace love, friendship, and human connection? Love, friendship, and human connection have always been at the core of what makes life meaningful. They shape our happiness, influence our decisions, and give purpose to our existence. Yet today, a new question is emerging, one that challenges the very essence of human relationships. With the rise of artificial intelligence, chatbots, virtual companions, and even AI-powered romantic partners, people are asking, can machines truly replace love, friendship, and human connection? Can AI fill the emotional gaps that have always defined our humanity? Before we explore this profound question, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you are curious about how technology is reshaping our relationships and the future of human connection, you are in the right place. Now, let's delve into a topic that is as fascinating as it is deeply personal. In recent years, AI-driven companions have grown remarkably sophisticated. Chatbots can now hold conversations that feel surprisingly human. They remember personal details, respond with empathy, and even simulate humor. Virtual assistants, social AI platforms, and AI-powered applications create experiences that mimic friendship and companionship. For some people, these interactions offer emotional support, advice, or even a sense of belonging. They report feeling attachment to AI systems, finding comfort and reassurance in digital connections that feel responsive and attentive. The development of AI romantic partners is equally striking. Certain platforms simulate romantic relationships, allowing users to interact, message, and even experience simulated intimacy with virtual companions. These AI partners are designed to adapt to preferences, respond to emotional cues, and provide a sense of emotional presence. For individuals facing loneliness, social anxiety, or isolation, AI relationships can feel like a safe and predictable alternative to complex human relationships. They can provide affirmation, attention, and engagement that might be difficult to find elsewhere. At first glance, this may seem like a revolutionary solution to human loneliness. AI is available 24/7, never argues, never judges, and instantly adapts to user preferences. It provides emotional reinforcement without the friction or risk inherent in human interactions. Yet beneath this convenience lies a critical question: can AI genuinely feel emotion? Can it reciprocate love, empathy, or friendship in the way humans do? The answer is clear: at least with current technology, AI cannot. AI does not experience feelings. It predicts responses based on data patterns. It simulates understanding rather than truly experiencing or empathizing. Human connection is far more than communication or companionship. It is built on shared experiences, mutual vulnerability, trust, and emotional growth. Friends comfort us in times of grief, partners challenge us to evolve, and relationships provide lessons we cannot fully replicate with algorithms. AI can mimic these interactions, but it cannot participate authentically. The depth, unpredictability, and emotional richness of human relationships remain beyond the reach of machines. There are also ethical and psychological concerns. Excessive reliance on AI for emotional fulfillment may influence behavior in subtle but significant ways. People may retreat from messy, challenging, or inconvenient human relationships in favor of the simplicity of AI interactions. Over time, this could weaken social skills, reduce empathy toward other humans, and create the illusion of connection while fostering emotional isolation. The very relationships that define our humanity risk being overshadowed by artificial simulations. Yet AI is not inherently harmful to human relationships. When used responsibly, it can enhance connection rather than replace it. AI can help people find friends, maintain long-distance relationships, and develop social skills in safe environments. For example, AI-assisted language learning allows people to connect across cultures, while social robots provide companionship for the elderly or individuals with disabilities. In these contexts, AI supplements human connection, offering benefits where natural interaction may be limited. The challenge lies in balance. Technology should enhance human interaction, not substitute it. It can fill gaps where human presence is unavailable, but it cannot replicate the emotional complexity of real-life relationships. Emotional growth, vulnerability, intimacy, and shared experience are uniquely human qualities that machines cannot emulate, no matter how advanced their algorithms become. Cultural implications are equally profound. Will future generations grow up expecting AI to meet their emotional needs? Will human relationships lose value because AI provides an easier, more predictable alternative? These are not technological questions alone but societal ones. How humanity integrates AI into the emotional sphere will determine the quality of future relationships. The essence of this debate is philosophical. AI can simulate responses, provide companionship, and even evoke comfort, but true love, friendship, and human connection require consciousness, intention, and emotional authenticity. AI can replicate behaviors associated with affection, empathy, and companionship, but it cannot genuinely experience or reciprocate them. Machines can be programmed to understand emotional patterns, but understanding is not the same as feeling. The future may see AI becoming increasingly integrated into human relationships, providing assistance, companionship, and support. However, the richness of human connection, spontaneity, empathy, emotional depth, and mutual vulnerability cannot be fully captured by algorithms. AI can offer convenience and even simulate intimacy, but it cannot replace the raw, unpredictable, and transformative power of human relationships. In conclusion, AI may enhance aspects of love, friendship, and connection, offering comfort to the lonely and assistance to those in need. It can serve as a tool for communication, learning, and even emotional support. But AI cannot replace the authenticity and depth of human relationships. Emotional growth, shared vulnerability, empathy, and love remain distinctly human experiences that no machine can replicate. While AI may change how we connect, it cannot substitute the bonds that define our humanity. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights into how AI is shaping the human experience. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Could AI ever provide genuine friendship or love, or is there something irreplaceable about human connection? The rise of AI may transform the way we experience relationships, but the heart of love, the warmth of friendship, and the depth of connection will always remain uniquely human. No machine can replace that.